everyone, my name is Sultana from Milo Tools. Sultana is actually my current name. So today I will try my very best not to bore you all to death with yet another product video that you've probably seen. I would like to talk to you about leading brand in threading, which is Emuge. So here we go. Let's start with a little bit of history about Emuge so we know exactly what their roots are. So in 1920, in the city of Lauf, which is near Nuremberg in Germany, Richard Glimpel, aged at the time just 26, laid down the foundations of the family business Emuge with just 3 employees. Now, in the first year it was founded, Richard revolutionised tapping by producing the single finishing tap in spiral point in what they call a 3-in-1 combination, which meant less machining time and saving the customer money. But now, with over 100 years of experience and over 2,000 employees helping in product innovation, Emuge are globally recognised for specialist high-performance products in threading, clamping, gauging, drilling, milling, which is with their Franken partners. The main industries Emuge focus on are automotive, aerospace, medical, power plants, mechanical and plant engineering. So joining us today to discuss some of the key benefits of using Emuge products, we have the main man himself, Mark Ridgeway, UK Operations Manager. Hi Mark, lovely to be to join us today. Now I know you'd rather be somewhere else, because those of you who don't know Mark, he has about a third of the year off on holiday. Is that right, Mark?
Not strictly true. It's more than that.
Sorry. Yeah. Half the year off
half
then.
the year normally, yeah.
So great of you to join us today. How are you keeping? Okay.
I'm very well, thank you.
Yeah.
Hope you are too.
Yeah, good. So Mark, why would you say that Emuge is described as the Rolls Royce of threading technology?
Well, basically, Emuge, I think in the field of tapping, most people call it the Rolls Royce because it does exactly what it says on the tin. You get absolute value for money.
Yeah.
It is expensive initially on the product, but the actual tool life, the quality is second to none. And we believe that our tools give the end user the best possible value.
Yeah, okay. Now, I know at Milo Tools we've sold Emuge taps ranging from literally £50 to sometimes even £1,000. But every now and again, obviously, customers are coming to you for just a standard general tap. They call it general purpose, but high performance at the same time.
Yeah.
What would you recommend, Mark, for that instance?
Well, we have a range called Multi.
Yeah.
Multi-tap is really something that goes a bit against the grain what Emuge is about, because our main focus is to give you the best tool for the job. However, due to the market changing, the multi-tap has developed into becoming a tool that can pretty much cover nearly 80% of all applications.
Right, brilliant.
And this range that we've got here, this is what we're pretty much showing through distribution, because as I've just said, 80% of all applications can come from that one particular range. If you look at our main catalogue, we're talking about 110,000 products, which is difficult to find the right tool, but we believe this is the tool for the market.
Right, so it's the multi-tap. So what's the main key features and benefits of using the multi-tap? Multi would suggest that it's multi-purpose for all materials.
Yeah, multi-purpose, exactly. I mean, this range can't cover everything, it's impossible.
Yeah.
But we've tailored a tool that can cover, as I said, 80% of materials.
So materials like steel, stainless?
I would say anything from soft steels, aluminium, stainless steels, up to super duplex. The things it can't do are things like titanium or Inconel, where you need a specialised product for that. But anything else in between, you can do that, which means less inventory for the customer, a lot easier to select a tool. It's not a green band for this and a red band for that.
No,
and so
because that can be confusing, can't it?
Absolutely,
for an end user sometimes. What colour is what product? Not every manufacturer is the same, is it?
Correct.
No.
Okay, well, the main features of these products are we have a two-tier system in terms of the product.
Yeah.
We've got the spiral points for the through holes. We've got the spiral flues for the blind, and we also have a roll tap which will go through and blind.
Brilliant.
Again, this will cover all materials
in
the forming process. The difference, while we've got 4 different tap series, we've got an NE2 coated, which is the, let's say, I won't say cheap, but it's the more cost-effective method if you've not got that many threads to do, but you want to ensure that the application comes off correct. Its brother is the same geometry, but we've got a coach on that's called GLT1.
Yeah.
And what we can say with that is that, for example, if you're doing general stainless steel,
yeah,
this will give you around 4 times the life of this particular tool.
Wow, 4 times?
4 times the life.
Is it 4 times more money?
No, it's in some cases it's only a couple of pounds, maximum up to maybe double the price.
Right, okay.
But as long as you can justify the number of holes that we need to do.
And how would you justify that, Mark? So is it 50 holes would be an NE2 tap, 200 holes would be a GLT?
Well, what I would say is that first port of call is, if you want to stay on the safe side, I would always go with the GLT version to start with.
The coated ones
to start with, yeah. Because that's going to give you the maximum tool life. However, the problem, as we all know, is that you take the tool off the job when you put it, when you finish, you put it in a drawer, you've no idea how many holes it's done.
Yeah.
So it's sometimes difficult to quantify how cost effective the tool is. But if you know you've got a definite amount of threads to do, then I would definitely go with this tool. And the main reasons for that are this tool, or these 2 tools with the coating on, you can go deeper with the tools. These are rated at 2.5 times D on a spiral flute. These are rated at 3 times D.
Right.
Bearing in mind, most threads, after 1.5 times D, there is no strength difference.
Right, okay.
And a lot of people, what they do is, they try and go, for example, an M10, they try and go 40mm D with it, and what will happen is, the swarf won't come out at the time of break.
No, and that's a common problem.
That's a common problem in tapping, whereas this tap can cope with it much, much better, up to 3 times D.
Right, excellent. And how much would, that sounds brilliant to have one tap for all materials.
Yeah.
How much is a standard M6 NE2?
You're looking around about £15.
Okay, and the GLT version?
28, 29, something like that, I would imagine.
Okay. Now, Mark, I know you think that's quite a competitive price. Our customers, sometimes they're wanting to pay roughly for £6 to £7 for an M6 tap. What would you say to that response?
Well,
to justify spending 3 times more, 4 times more?
Well, again, it's like anything. It's down to reliability, cost per thread. Tapping generally is the last operation.
Yeah.
It's got to be right. I think Emuge's reputation is synonymous in terms of you get what you pay for. So if tapping the hole is your last application on your entire workpiece, and you want to make sure that it comes off finished, then is it worth spending £6 or £7 on something that might do it or might not do it?
Yeah.
In our opinion, our image, if you like, or our reputation is based on top quality, and these tools, even though they are low price in terms of our main catalogue, these are absolutely top brands. They're not a cheap brand. They come from the main tool, and they're in effect sort of like a rebrand of it.
Right, excellent. Okay, so there we have it. What Mark is saying is, you pay cheap, you pay twice, and I would agree with that. Tapping is the last operation, so don't get caught out and buy a cheap tap. Try an Emuge tap today and keep those machines earning. Thank you for watching. So Milo Tools were a national recognised partner for Emuge products, which means you'll get the best technical support, a 1 to 2 day service on all their products. We can give you advice by telephone, we can do it via email, we can even come and visit you on site to discuss your applications. Remember folks, do not be put off by the price. You will get performance with using Emuge. Milo Tools, delivering excellence. Thank you very much for watching.